everyone, Boss Juvin here, and welcome back to our channel. So if your Epson L1110 printer suddenly stopped printing, has blinking red lights, and is also showing the error message, a printer's ink pad is at the end of its service life on your screen, you are on the right video. Now, you do not need to buy a new printer or pay expensive technician fees. In this video, I will teach you how to reset it quickly and for free using just your computer. All you need to do is download our Epson L1110 resetter tool located in the description box below. So just a quick reminder, if you cannot see the link in the description, please check our comment section. Our link is pinned right at the top. It is safe and 100% free download. Make sure your Epson L1110 is plugged into your computer using a USB cable and is turned on before we start the reset. So let's get started now. So once you download the L1110 resetter, it will be a zip folder. So you can right click on it and then click on extract all. If you have WinRAR, you can use WinRAR extract to resetter L1110. Now, okay, so you just have to click on double click on the folder, open the folder, and open another folder there. Okay, so L1110 resetter, and then click on adjustment, double click on adjustment program. Now it will show you this error message. Sorry, the software cannot be run without a license key, but don't worry, you just have to take note of the hardware ID. Okay, so let's take note of that hardware ID. So paste. So sabi niya, he said that hardware ID is already copied to your clipboard, and copy and paste it. Okay, so okay, copy that. Okay, just click on OK. Let's go back one step. So let's go back here. Okay, so you will see keygen L1110. Now click on 1110 and keygen L1110, and then click on the exe, open the folder. So you will see WLGen L1110.exe. Just double click on it and it will show you another screen. This is it. So click on license manager and click add license. And once you have add license, customer name should be Boss Juvin. If you have another name, you can do so. Boss Juvin. And paste the hardware ID here and click on this checkbox. The inserted hardware ID is valid. Okay, and then click on save. Okay, so after that, select the Boss Juvin and then create license key. Once you generate the license key, it will create a new folder on here. Okay, double click that folder and open the folder and copy all of the contents. Just highlight Ctrl A and then copy all of the contents inside that folder and go back to the Epson L1110 resetter and paste everything there. Okay, select L1110 and it's ECC. Okay, so that's just default. So the software interface is now open, guys. So back button and then choose the L1110 under model name. That's default already, and click on OK. Port this auto selection. Okay, just okay, and then go to particular adjustment mode and then go to maintenance section and click on waste ink pad counter. Now click on OK. Alright, so So here in this list, so after you scroll down maintenance and then waste ink pad counter and you double click OK, you click OK. Here the counter window, it will show you the main pad counter and platinum pad counter choices. So you have to click check put a check mark on the two boxes, and you can click on check. Once you click on check, it will show you the percentage of the main pad counter if it is already full, and the platen pad counter. So if it is already full, then your printer needs to be reset. Now this error shows up because the printer is not connected to our laptop or computer. So if this happened to you but your computer did not detect the printer, you can just unplug the USB cable and then plug it back in. Okay, so after that you can click on OK and make sure that the two check marks are checked and click on initialize. Once you click on initialize, this information box will come up, and when the OK button is clicked, you just click OK. Now when you click on OK, if this error shows up, you just have to unplug and plug the USB cable back in, because this error is showing because there's no printer being detected by the computer, because I did not put any USB printer on our computer yet. So there you go, super fast. So a pop-up will appear saying please turn off the printer once you click on initialize and click OK. At this part, do not click OK just yet. What you need to do right now is go to your printer and press the actual power button of your Epson L1110 printer to completely turn it off. Once your printer is off, go back to your computer and you can now click the OK button on the screen. After that, you can turn your printer back on. You will notice it is running normally again. There are no more blinking red lights and the power light is steady. This means our reset is a success. This is how easy and fast it is to reset the Epson L1110. Again, the link is in the the description and in our pinned comment. If it worked for you, and subscribe to Boss Juvin channel for more easy tech guides and tutorials. Thank you so much and see you in our next video.